Welcome back. Now to the latest coming in. As far as the Rajasthan power game is concerned, State's Anti-Corruption Bureau team is in Manesar Hotel where Sachin Pilot camps MLAs are put up at the moment. The anti-graft body is going to be grilling suspended Congress MLAs Bhanwar Lal and Vishwendra Singh in connection with the horse trading case to topple the Rajasthan government. Meanwhile, Sanjay Jain, the businessman arrested in horse trading case, was presented before the district court after he denied to give voice sample to the police. Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot hints at trust vote on 17th of August. Sources are revealing that during a conversation with the MLAs, Gehlot requested them to continue their unity until 17th of August. The State Assembly session is all set to start from 14th of August after Gehlot sent 4 proposals to the governor. However, none of the proposals mention a trust vote. Gehlot camp MLAs who have been staying at a Jaipur hotel are now headed to a resort in Jaisalmer.
कल रात से जैसे ही 14 तारीख की तारीख आई है असेंबली की, उसी वक्त से जो पहले वो पहली किस्त 10, दूसरी किस्त 15 की थी, अब आपको जान के आश्चर्य होगा, अब अनलिमिटेड हो गई है। अब पूछा जा रहा है, अब आप बताओ क्या चाहिए आपको। इसका मतलब 25 से जो है हॉर्स ट्रेडिंग की रेट और बढ़ गई है। अगर वो कांग्रेस के चुनाव चिन्ह में जीत के गए हैं तो पहली ड्यूटी है कि सरकार के साथ में खड़े दिखे वो पब्लिक को भी। जनता उनके क्षेत्र में क्या सोच रही होगी, कुछ सोच नहीं सकता। उनका एहसास अभी उनको है नहीं और वो बीजेपी की गोद में क्यों खेल रहे हैं। पूरी तरह बीजेपी की जो तैयारियां हैं, बीजेपी ने वहाँ पर इंतजाम किए हुए हैं, उन्हीं की पुलिस है, उन्हीं के घेरे में बंद है। वहाँ पर स्थितियाँ सबके सामने हैं। पूरा प्रदेश देख रहा है, पूरा देश देख रहा है। पूरा खेल बीजेपी का है ये।
My colleague Dave is going to be joining us in just about a bit. He's on top of this Rajasthan political circus that is taking place. In fact, the state's anti-corruption bureau team is in Gurugram in Manesar Hotel where Sachin Pilot camps MLAs are staying at the moment. This is the ITC Gurugram we're talking about. The anti-graft body is going to be grilling the suspended Congress MLAs Bhanwar Lal and Vishwendra Singh. Dev Ankur is joining us for the latest. Dev, so Bhanwar Lal and Vishwendra both are going to be grilled by the ACB in connection with the horse trading case to topple the Rajasthan government. It's a very strong allegation of horse trading that is coming in at the moment. Dave.
Well, Bhanwar Lal Sharma and Vishwendra Singh are key members of the Sachin Pilot group. Vishwendra Singh, Cheti, in fact, is the former Rajasthan tourism minister. He was chucked out of the Rajasthan government after allegations of him being in connivance with the BJP of trying to allegedly topple the Ashok Gehlot government were levelled. Both Bhanwar Lal Sharma and Vishwendra Singh are considered key men of Sachin Pilot group, and there is a case that has been registered by the Anti-Corruption Bureau on the basis of the alleged tape-recorded conversations in which allegedly there are voices of Bhanwar Lal Sharma, who is a long-time Rajasthan politician, and also Vishwendra Singh. The ACB wants to take their voice samples, produce them in a court of law, but so far they have been evading any kind of interrogation, let aside any kind of arrest from the ACB side. What we are given to understand also is that after the Rajasthan governor mentioned that the assembly will be convened on August 14, all of the MLAs belonging to the Sachin Pilot group can return to Rajasthan, and if they do that, there is a possibility that the Anti-Corruption Bureau will try to apprehend at least Bhanwar Lal Sharma and Vishwendra Singh because it wants to interrogate them and ensure that their statements are on record before they are produced in a court of law.
Okay, so from the Rajasthan political circle.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.